up, YouTube? How is everybody out there doing today? So listen, guys, I got some news for you. We just got off the dyno with this C6 cam only exhaust headers, catted X pipe, and it made some crazy numbers. But unfortunately, that's not the video you guys are going to be seeing today, because that's going to be a different day. The next video after we do the video for today. So this will probably be out maybe Wednesday, something like that of this week. We'll see how things go. So if you guys want to see what this thing put down number-wise, which I'm pretty impressed, he's pretty damn happy and impressed as well for just the mods that are done to it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because when this video goes live, you guys aren't going to want to miss it. It's a pretty good setup. Made some really awesome numbers. Awesome numbers. But you guys now know why the hell we are here at Keith's Pit Stop, and it's going to be freaking amazing. Keith was very reluctant to let me do this, but as you guys know, we are going to put the Duramax dually on the dyno. We're going to see what this thing puts down. I'm freaking excited. I'm freaking ecstatic. Keith thinks it's going to blow up. I hope it doesn't blow up, because this is my ride home. So if it does blow up, Keith's going to have to take me home, or somebody's got to take me home. I don't know, but hopefully it doesn't blow up. Hopefully everything's good to go. But one of the things we do have to do is we're going to have to take these outer wheels off, these outer tires, because the dyno will not support that wide of a wheel. It's just not wide enough. So we're going to have to take these off, which is a pretty easy job. We're going to go to the shop and get that done. And then we're going to stick it on the dyno. And we're going to let it rain, people. We're going to let it rain, and we're going to see how much torque and horsepower this thing makes. I'm freaking excited. I hope you guys are too. So here we go. That's a lot of work. All right, as you guys can see, I already have these 2-inch spacers on here because I have big tires on this thing. So that's all torqued down already. So literally all I have to do was just take the outer rims off and not have to tighten up anything ever again. So that's what it looks like basically. With a single wheel on the back, it looks really weird. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this thing. So goofy looking. Yeah. Well, I didn't break anything, but we're going to break something on the dyno.
Oh, you didn't get up there yet?
No, where we're going to.
I was praying for you, I know.
Were you?
Yeah,
Wow.
Keith told me you were putting it up there. I thought
I'll put it up there, man. We're going to see what kind of power she makes. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes. Pick up parts, yeah.
Come on, man. This thing has almost 500,000 miles on it. There it is, guys. 476,000 miles.
That's pretty good.
He's like, wow. 500,000 miles. How can you not be excited about this? I just don't understand you guys sometimes.
It'll be fun.
You know, it's all 30 pounds of boost. Oh. He's like, oh shit. Not the weirdest thing you've ever seen in your entire life. It's like the back end is literally floating off the ground. It's so funny. It's so freaking funny. Oh boy. We're capping all. We're doing the cap and everything, man. Cap and all, guys. I was really hoping we'd need the ramps.
Alright. Now, you know what we gotta do?
Yeah. I have Keith back this thing up. There's my rear view camera. Hopefully he sees that a little bit. He's not even looking at the camera. right. All right.
Right there.
Right there. If you go, turn your wheel a little bit this way. Keep going. A little bit back the other way. Right there. Straight back. Yeah. Woo! See it strapped down, boys. I'm right behind you. All right. Got the fan on. Definitely got to have that cooling air. Got our A-arms hooked up. That's all nice and tight. Keith's ready to have some fun. Race until it rains parts. You think we should add some tire pressure? Hey, don't forget to take the traction control off.
We're going to be in here with me.
What? Scary times, guys. Scary times. Let's see that. Holy shit.
375, 608.
Oh my god. 375, 60, 608 foot-pounds of torque. And we still haven't gotten a real clean run.
No, we didn't.
But we are going to get a clean run. Maybe we'll see 700 foot-pounds of torque and no dry shaft breakage. It's only supposed to have like 100 horsepower tune in it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? 30 pounds of boost, 100 horsepower tune. I mean, that's probably pretty damn accurate.
I thought if you got close to 400 horse, you'd be doing good. You know what I mean?
I mean, that's damn close for 500,000 miles.
Right.
That's freaking nuts for 500,000 miles. That sounded good. Let's go see the numbers, guys. I'm excited. Keith looks like he's happy.
Look at the red.
Dude, get the hell out of here. Guys, you freaking ready for this? This truck puts down 442 10 horsepower, 785 foot-pounds of torque at the mofo wheels. That's freaking awesome. That is freaking awesome. What gear was that?
Overdrive.
Overdrive, fourth? Probably 5-speed.
I tried to get into our home downshift and it held it. So.
Dude, almost 800 foot-pounds of torque.
Try it again.
You want to try it again?
It's up to you.
Fuck it, let's go for gold. Let me get down here and record though. Taking Dirty Max, putting down the power. Almost 800 foot-pounds of torque, guys. Holy shit. You see that smoke? Holy shit. What do we got?
Right there.
Same thing?
Yeah, that's it.
I'm happy.
Yeah,
dude, I'm freaking happy, man. Oh my god, if I did a burnout with singles on it, you see the thing do burnouts with the dual tires on it? You want me to do single? You nuts?
Go for a roll.
So like 450 horsepower, almost 800 pounds of torque, dude. That's pretty strong for 500,000 miles. The LB7 stock freaking engine. Well, not stock, but stock internals. Like nothing ever done to it. What was the STD numbers?
450, 450, and the torque was 807.
All right, guys, we have the rear wheels back on again. Getting ready to go in here and give our good buddy Keith a big thank you. Are you you happy with the numbers that we made today on the dyno?
Yes, very much.
400, that's STD right there. 454, 807 SAE, which is what really matters. 442, 785 torque. Pretty freaking awesome. I'm happy. I'm freaking thrilled.
Yeah.
I'm astonished. I definitely want to thank Keith for letting me put the beast on the dyno. I think it was a fun time. Did you enjoy yourself?
Oh, yeah, it was fun.
Nothing broke, which was also a plus. So if you guys need any work done or any dyno time, come see him. Information will be first link in the description. Hit him up if you need it. Guys, we're going to end this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do me a big favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.